Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode I'm going to open up the remaining carded Hot Wheels I have from 2002 till 2006. These are all American long cards. Let's start with the first one. So this is 2002, number 161. It's called M Roadster on the card. It doesn't even say it's a BMW, let alone a Z3. Peel and win. Now, last time I thought it had to be on the card, but of course the code is here on the sticker. So, metal body, metal base. M Roadster on the base too. 96 copyright. It's got the 5-dot wheels. It's got just the Hot Wheels logo on the trunk or boot. Exhausts are part of the base, and they got the lensed headlights that are part of the windscreen. So tempo wise, not much. Interior is okay. It's a heavy piece. Next up is number 163 of 2002. Lexus SC 400, 50 cents each. So this one got the gold lace or snowflake wheels. Got some weird side tempo. I can't read what that says. Maybe you can. Something like wicked and locks. A very bright, I would say chrome gold, but it's not really chrome gold. Metallic gold. No tampos in front. What's this? Got some dirt on it from 2002. And no tampos in the back, just side tempo and a trunk or boot tempo. Exhausts are part of the plastic base. Doesn't say the name on the bottom. 92 copyright. Then we got a Lamborghini. So this is number 196 of 2002. The Countach. So this is also, oh no, it's not metal on metal, because it feels really heavy. So it just says Countach here underneath the Hot Wheels logo. 97 copyright. Got the classic wheels they still use today. Lamborghini number 1 on the side. Nicely detailed in the back. So it doesn't really matter, it does not have tampos there. And then in the front the Lamborghini logo, and again Lamborghini number 1. All in all, nice one. Next up we got number 201 of 2002, the Lotus Elise 340R. In a very nice blue color. Nice wheels also. So this one is metal base, and I think this is metal too. Yeah, the blue part is metal too, and this black part is plastic. Lotus Elise 340R on the base. 2000 copyright. So no tampos in the back. In the front it does get the headlights and the Lotus logo. All in all, pretty cool car. Little plastic wing here on the back. Next up is number 188 of 2004. This is a Hyundai Tiburon. So this one got Hot Wheels on the side, number 8. Got also the modern style wheels that are still used today. No tail lights. And the spoiler is open in the back, but not in the front. Exhaust are part of the base. Hyundai name here halfway on the front quarter panel. No headlights. Does have a detailed grille. Orange windows, not really a fan of them. And a nicely detailed interior. Color is metallic white. Next up is number 161 of 2005. It's the Baja Bug. So this one is also metal body, metal base. Does not have the name on the base. It's 1983 copyright. It's a very heavy model too. It's kind of a primer gray. Number 77 Baja Bug. It's got the engine sticking out of the back and the exhaust. It's got a convertible roof and a half a roll cage. Some stuff in the back, fire extinguisher and other stuff, a wrench. It's a cool one, nothing in the front and no tampos in the rear either. Next up we got, oops, another bug. This is number 184 of 2005. Just called the VW Bug. This is in a nice livery. I like it. It's even got an extra protector behind it. First time I see that. I think, or maybe I have forgotten. Look at that. That's nicely protected. So this one is also metal body, metal base. Also does not have the name on the bottom. It's got the VW logo on the side. It's got the taillights painted, two-tone white and black. This side it does have something on the door that the other side does not have. I don't know if you will be able to read that. Maybe on a big screen TV, but I can't read it. So, and the headlights are part of the base. That's a nice one. It's cool. Next up, a Jaguar. This is number 77 of 2006. Jaguar XJ8, it says here. So, this one, plastic base, 96 copyright. It's got a bit of a staggered stance with the bigger wheel in the back, some wild graphics on the side, no tampos in the back, just the sides and the hood or bonnet, lensed headlights that are part of the windscreen, I suppose. And the grille is molded into the casting. Then we got another Lotus, number 129 of 2006. It's the Elise 340R again. So it also has the metal base still, and the yellow part is metal too. Some wild graphics on top. Have the headlights but no Lotus logo. Lace wheels or snowflake wheels. The wing is chrome because the interior is chrome, is apparently the same piece, but the roll bar here is gray. That's part of another piece, so there's lots of different pieces here. Next up we got a Hummer, number 173 of 2006, Hummer H3T concept. It says it again here, so it's on the card 2 times. Kind of a pickup version. This is plastic body, metal body, plastic base, sorry. 2004 copyright, so that time was a fairly new model. Hot Wheels, very modern style logo on the side. Never seen it like that. Got the chrome front part of the base. Does have a almost complete metal bed apart from the part here that is part of the interior back side of the cabin. Not a huge fan of the rims, but you know, that's okay. And then the last one is my favorite, number 180 of 2006, the Saleen S7. Very cool car, very nice color. Very slick base. Got the headlights, got the logo on the nose. Very detailed casting. Look at the detail here in the back. It's got everything molded into the casting. It's very nice. I like this model very much. Get some engine detail there. Interior. The Hot Wheels logo on top. Nice one. So that's it for this episode. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.